Guys, this is where we are, and we're on the XTZ. So this is where we are. Wow, absolutely beautiful. That's our volcano in the background, and we found another dam. Now just look at these. Wow, absolutely beautiful piece of art. Wow, just look at this. Wow. Hey, mama. Wow. How nice is that, guys? Wow. And just look, looks like there's an engine here. Let me just get over onto this side. I've got one hand on the phone. Just look at that for a beautiful piece of engineering. Right, let me have a look. Wow, just look at them gates. And there's all wheels across there to regulate this river. You can lift a gate or you can close a gate. So you can lift them fully, or you can actually, like I said, you've got your wheels there, you've got an engine there. So you can automatically lift that one there. With looks like a diesel power, but I don't know if it's diesel. Look at that there. Looks like, I don't know if the buckle's spinning away, but that's it, look. That's the river. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Let me look where I'm treading. It's same here as well, guys. Absolutely beautiful. There's another wheel, look. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So we'll have a little walk around. That's your river. It's getting dark actually, so we'll head back to Cansilyan into Mercia soon. Looks like somebody's making charcoal. I don't know what they're doing. But this is another wheel, look. Like I said, that's the volcano Cansilyan. We need to get there soon. So that's another piece of equipment there, look. It's another wheel. So it must go under that field. To irrigate. So I'll show you the river from this side. Absolutely beautiful. So like I said, it looks like someone's been busy here. That's the river, and as you can see, wow. So that's the river. How nice is that? Absolutely spectacular. So that's what they do, guys, to regulate the river. Goblins over there. Absolutely spectacular. absolutely beautiful. Absolutely spectacular. We're here in Bacolod City. We're actually just off Bacolod City, not too far from Robinson's. And you would never know this place exists. Now let me read you this. And we're here, what an absolutely beautiful, great sports field, running track. Just look at this place, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, we're here in Bacolod. Like I said, you wouldn't know this place existed. We're not too far off Mercia. We're not too far from Cansilyan. And we're not too far, well, like I said, guys, as you turn right, as you go under the bridge on, is it Libertad Street? Go down Libertad Street and just carry on, and then it's just a left turning. So we're not too far away. So look, what do you think to that then? Wow, absolutely beautiful. You know, it's a really big sports field here. Now there's a lot of guards here. My girlfriend's been here before swimming. So absolutely gorgeous. Looks like shot put. Absolutely wonderful. Wow. Very, very hot today, guys. So I thought I'd get you an absolutely lovely shot of this absolutely lovely sports facilities. And that's where we are. Panaad. We're in Panaad. Right, I'll try and blow your Panaad up. So just look at that, absolutely beautiful. Now, I don't know when there's sports on, but it would be absolutely lovely to come here to an event. Panaad, here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Looks like there's an eagle. Looks like there's an eagle up there, guys. Seen a lot of helicopters around, and I've seen the satellite. Seen the satellite out at night. So that's it, beautiful sports field. We're actually going to have a ride around. Like I said, it's quite a nice place. So it's quite a beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. And that's the baby's head. Right, so we'll have a nice little walk around. Like I said, guys, it's absolutely lovely. Beautiful eucalyptus trees. Absolutely beautiful. Welcome to Toboso. Actually, we're in this big stadium, and like I said, looks like these places are they're representing, you know, they're representing different places here on Negros Occidental. And what a whopper! That's what you call a fish. So, that's on, let me just move out. That there actually is representing Escalante. So that's it, look. Absolutely lovely. Looks like we've come across Joe's. I'm sure kids will love this. Absolutely. Oh my word. What have we here? In the corner. He looks like a mannequin. Are you for sale? So, how nice is that, look? Into the fish's mouth. Absolutely lovely. So you go across the green bridge. Absolutely lovely. Into the fish's mouth, so to speak. So absolutely lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. It's very sunny here. Wow, I can hardly see, to be honest. So that's what you call a big fish. Now then, to you fishermen, did you catch one as big as this? It actually looks like a big, big carp. You carp fishermen in England. So that's it, look. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely beautiful. So when this place is open and there's an event on here, you know, I'd like to come back. I bet it's absolutely awesome. Oh, there's a map of Mercia there. Mantis Pearl, let's have a look. Hope I can get you this, I'll try and blow it you up. Municipal map. Municipal map, absolutely lovely. So I hope you got that. Looks like a tourist. You know, looks like a tourist. They're telling you what's going off and what's not going off. So yeah, it'd be nice actually. You know, be nice to come back when there's an event on. But that's what you call a big fish. So I hope this place opens soon and there's an event on. It'd be really nice. It's under renovation. Girlfriend's been here before to the swimming pool. We've passed the swimming pool and it's under renovation. So when it's back up ID, now the security guard stopped us and he said, have you got ID? I said, no, I don't carry it. So if you come in here, guys, fetch your ID and you should be okay. But actually, security guards are quite nice guys here in the Philippines. You know, they will actually let you in the place. Not like England, you know, you get a load of lip off at security guard or you just don't get a proper answer. They're quite respectful here. So, that's your big fish. Absolutely lovely. So I'll get you some more fish. What do you think to that then? Wow, absolutely beautiful. Wow, looks like a nest. Into the eye of the fish. Absolutely beautiful. I think we'll have to change it from a carp. Because as you know, a carp don't have teeth like that as far as I know. Absolutely lovely. Big fish. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Lovely big fish. Wow. So that's your lovely big fish. How nice is that? Absolutely lovely. Fantastic. Try and get round for you as slow as I can. Absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to Escalante City, here in the heart of Bacolod. Hello. We're not going to be long. So that's it, Escalante City. Now, I don't exactly know what Escalante City.
It's under municipality.
Welcome to Otiki. Ah, so it looks like fish. Wow, absolutely quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Look at these lovely fish. Security guards there, he's watching us. Like I said, the nice chaps is doing his job and he's let us in, so we're going to go soon because he told us we could have a little ride around. So absolutely lovely. We're here in Escalante, look. Escalante, but really we're here in Bacolod City. Take care, God bless. Oh, what do you think to that for two lovely fish? How nice is that? Absolutely beautiful. Wow, absolutely great. Absolutely beautiful. Welcome to Escalante. Lovely young lady here in Bacolod City. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think to that then? Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, very nice. Absolutely gorgeous. We've got Our Lady of Leisure. Absolutely lovely. What do you think to that then? Hello there, miss. The face of an angel here in Bacolod City. What do you think to this young lady? Wow. She does know how to do a nice stretch here in the morning. Hello there, madam. Wow, how nice is that then? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll have to hand it to you, madam. She's got a beautiful figure, this lady, and an absolutely beautiful arm. How nice is that then? Wow, absolutely lovely. What do you think to that then, guys? Girls and guys. Wow, how nice is that then? Looks like the Philippines are in a bit of a dispute. You tell me the history. Absolutely beautiful. And as far as I know, this scene is from Bago. And we were there last night. Absolutely great. Beautiful. Wow. Welcome to Bago City. Lots of history and historical treasures. Wow, how nice is that then? Absolutely beautiful. We're actually here in Bacolod City. Thumbs up. I love Bago City. But we're here in Bacolod City. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the city of Tulsi. How nice is that? We've got all the cities and the barangays. Wow. Like I said, we'll be back to do your video. Absolutely lovely. What do you think? How nice is that? Absolutely fantastic. We've got the food. Security corner. Look at this, look. Absolutely lovely. So we'll have a little walk round. But that is a piece of history of Tulsi. Absolutely beautiful. Till you tied? Well, welcome to Mercia. Now, I don't know what this represents in Mercia, because we come from Mercia, and I've never seen this in Mercia, so you tell me, what does it represent in Mercia? I haven't got a clue. Absolutely splendid. How nice is that then? Cadiz City. Absolutely beautiful. And you've got your lovely big whale. So maybe you can swim with the whales. That's where we are, guys. We're on the river. Thumbs up. What do you think of that then? How nice is that? Absolutely spectacular. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. How nice is that? Absolutely beautiful. Hi guys, I'm going to go back across the river now. So I'm going to walk on this wall. So that's what I'm doing. I'm actually going to walk across. It's absolute, like I said, absolutely beautiful. Just look at that.